Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add a payment method on Nike application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Nike application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Nike if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, right corner, we have the, of course, search. We have your profile, your bag, and the 3 lines where you can check out your profile, the new feature stuff, men, women, Jordan, you have your favorites, bag, other things, etc., etc. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a payment method on the Nike application. So when you want to go and add it, you just need to go and buy something firstly. Go down here and click on shop and here, or shop on the white or black button, or click to the search bar where you can go and search for stuff. For instance, click on the Air Force, click on the ones that you of course want to go and buy and put them in your bag. When you put them in your bag, you can click on the top right corner where your bag is. And here, of course, guys, as you can see, we have the bag where you can go to checkout. When you put something in the bag, you can go to checkout. There you'll have the option where you can go and add the payment method. So you can go add your debit card, credit card, your PayPal, or whatever you of course want, and go of course buy that thing. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Of course, until then guys, as always, bye.